Guys, I'm doing the seedling again for my eggplant, but this time this is a Kaneko variety, a Dumaguete variety, guys. So this is a long and big, so this variety is demand on my customers, so I will change my previous variety, which is the Banati F1 of the Swiss company eggplant. So guys, so I have now, this is almost from seedling, so this is almost 3 weeks. So recondition on that container, so I will prepare for my replacement on that. I will show you what happened to my previous eggplant. So this is an update now. This is end of August, so I'll make again. I'll continue my eggplant. So I have a lot of experience to be learned, lesson to be learned, guys. So hoping next this season, after I will plant this one, I can correct what happened on that previous mistakes when I do my planting of my eggplant. Sad to note, guys, I have a big upset on this planting this eggplant. So I encounter, guys, so I'll show you. This is affected here. So this one, guys, it is dying now. Of course, I am trying to rehabilitate this one, but still I am unsuccessful. I am unsuccessful, guys. So we'll see what is the main cause on this. It is dying. See, guys, you can see this one. There is already, see, it is dying, guys, because see, it is from here. No more. So if you cut this one, you will see how this see, I can see a borer here. See this one, guys. These are the culprit. These are the culprit, guys. So you can see this one. See this one, it is a worm. So this is a borer. So it attacks the stem of this eggplant. So same that one, guys. After sometimes it will also die. So this is August 2024. So this is now after almost 6 months. So I already harvested more than 20 times, 2 times a week. So 10 weeks. So twice a week I'm harvesting this one before. So a lot of, because it is infected, guys. So I will burn this one, then I prepare again this area for my next generation of my eggplant. And some still I am rehabilitating, guys. You can see there is still some fruits, but sad to note that also the fruit borer is attacking. I'm not applying any pesticide here. So I try to plant to see if we can produce a chemically free eggplant, to which I'm not really doing anything. I do some early stage. I'm putting a bag here. You see my blog. I put some bag to prevent this. Still, I cannot prohibit the I cannot prohibit that fruit borer, which is flying insect. It's like a bee, wasps, like a wasp. So, and there is also nighttime insects, moths. We call that the. It is also attacking my eggplant. So far, with this, I already produced more than 500 kilos on this, and I market it for 40 pesos. So I got actually more than 20,000 pesos. I got without using pesticide. Only I have this manual labor. My problem here also, guys. I have problem. Guys, the actor should be on the blog also. So my problem also here is the control of the weeds. See, grasses. So we call this bila-bila. This bila-bila is very, guys, it is rooting really deep on the soil. So even you grass cut this one, later on again it will shoot up. So one this kind of, so see, I'm always do this grass cutting, so I have to spend for my gasoline. For 2 rows here, I can spend more than liter of gasoline to clean up. So still I did not do the herbicide. Of course, I see in the internet they are selling this organic herbicide, so hopefully I will try that one also. Still for financing. So really, so it costs also. It will add cost, but I will do it. Hoping my next variety will click on the market, because this one, guys, if you see this one, this is not infected, and this is not infected, then this is already, I have to harvest this one, guys. This is already class C. See, guys, so become smaller now. I will not harvest this one. It will be like this. I have to harvest now. So instead of selling 40, I drop, guys. I drop. Yes, there is no fruit borer present on this. So those who infected, guys, is also a waste, but it's not a waste in my farm because I have chickens there. So I have to ganyan sa Bisaya nga akong latan pagkaon sa ano. So there's no way, sir. So still here I managed to get this one today. I'll get maybe a lot of this. So next week I will start planting again from this one. I will prepare this one method. And my problem here is so maybe I will put on the container my eggplant. I will experiment. I think 1 row. We'll see if it is effective. Just experiment, guys, because I cannot really for this area. This is an eggplant area. I can plant here 300. Anyway, I have still this Banati variety here. Yes, guys, so I'm trying to, my mistake before here, I'm using this kind of you see this, guys, bamboo stick. This bamboo stick is, I'm using this to support, but this will not last for after 3 months. This will also get some problem with your eggplant. It seems insects also like this one. So I experiment now because I need a good foundation or good see, guys, I have a pole bamboo there, so I cut and I use a stick here. So this will last me even 1 year. Even 1 year, guys. Not sa Bisaya pa. Mag-Bisaya lang natin, ano. English mong kita sa mga amigo na itong di kasabot sa Bisaya. So kung gamitan ako ng full bamboo like this one, taas lang ako ni pagka pan, guys, no? Because my problem first is that high winds in this like this, it is easily matumba, just fall down by high winds. So that's my first learning. So I try to modify, call this modification. The same I have to support, guys. We need to support the eggplant. This one is still not attack, guys, so I will not cut this one, although I have to control this problem here is fertilization, because there's some I did not fertilize, so we need constant fertilization also. Every 2 weeks maximum. Can because I have so many jobs, guys. I did not able to do the fertilization as required. So that happened. But I have my friend give me a foliar. I will administer that one, but I have to cut whatever infected here to replace. So this one is not infected, but see, guys, this is not infected. But the problem when I do my grass cutting, that nylon will hit the main stem of the eggplant. So this one is still not infected. We'll see. So some is still retrieved because lifespan on this eggplant is properly taken care of. It will last for 3 years, even more. It depends on how you taking care of our taking care of our eggplant. guys, I do some harvesting. So some is still okay. This guys, I can sell this 30 pesos per kilo. And this one will be my waste, and I will boil this one, and it will be my feed to my chicken. This guys reject already. It is feed for my chicken, guys. Chicken love this one, guys. Love is eggplant. So I cut small pieces and then steam it. I do some boiling or steam it, so tomorrow morning it will be the breakfast, guys. So this one guys is enough of my 70 seconds. Hello guys, maginahina na sab ko og next generation sa akong talong mo kini kadtong nga tagas dumagiti kaniko seeds niya akong gamit kung tanawon pangkaron guys, tungod kay nakita nako tong mga mistakes na ko sa una, labi ng inana guys, napaya akong pabilin when I stick sa main stem niya gikan sa root, doon na infected ng uban o kanang gitawag na to stem borer. Dili lang mo agi sa udlot ng stem borer guys, or alain to na borer, iyang daoton niya guys kaniyo. Makita man nato kaya na yung mga sama niya na guys. Kita lang ako. Kita ninyo guys, muna lang ang resulta sa kuha niya. Kani siya, infected po niya siya. Dili po ni magdugay guys. So although na pa mga bunga, so dahil nahinay sa kanang di na ako makontrol guys, ako naging ilisdan. So okay ni update karon. So daghan pa man kog mga plastic container sa gallons o mineral kani siya. Container sa mineral water 10 liters ni siya na pamangko akong gi-observe ako na pong giusab akong pamaagi para makontrol na ko pohon, labi ng dunay akong buhaton ani sa guys, dunay buhaton ako sa main stem ani para dayon ang kaning di na ko ma-control gayud ang wa mo ko mag-herbicide, so di ma-control na ko ng grasses. So let's see unsa akong this is second season na ako ni guys sa karon tuiga. May second season of planting eggplant, a different variety guys, different variety na kini. So guys, thank you. So I just do my update here. It's already almost night, almost 6 o'clock. So I do my harvesting and to sell tomorrow. I go home for tomorrow Sunday and sell it guys. So this is an update now for August 2024 of my farming activities here. My planting by planting this eggplant. Thank you guys. Hoping if you did not able to subscribe, please like and share. And your viewing will help me also. And your like also the same. Hoping I can be monetized by YouTube, and it will help me so much. financially, guys, and whatever we can do for your support in the future, because as usual my dream is to promote agriculture, guys. We can educate here, we can help them also. Hoping I can reach that I can be monetized by YouTube. And thank you so much, and God, our God bless us all.